Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will be looking at Shopify A-B price testing. Maximize sales with price variations. I will walk you through a detailed step-by-step process on how to set up A-B testing for your Shopify product prices, allowing you to compare different pricing strategies and determine which one drives the most sales. A-B testing is a powerful and data-driven technique that helps you understand customer behavior by showing different price points to different segments of your audience. This allows you to analyze which price generates more conversions, higher revenue, or better overall engagement. Many store owners struggle with finding the right price point for their products. Price something too high, and you might lose potential buyers. Price it too low, and you might leave money on the table. That is where A/B testing comes in. It takes the guesswork out of pricing by providing real insights into what works best for your target audience. Whether you are launching a new product, optimizing an existing one, or simply experimenting with different pricing strategies, A/B testing can be a game changer for your business. The best part, you don't need an advanced technical skills or coding experience to set this up. I'll break it down into simple, actionable steps that you can follow along with easily. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional A/B price test running on your Shopify store, helping you make smarter pricing decisions based on actual customer behavior. We will start it now. First, go to your Shopify admin store and select the product you want to test. Scroll down to the variants section, click Add option, and create a custom option with the name Price. For the values, enter variation A and variation B, assigning different prices to each. Example, 89 MYR for variation A and 99 MYR for variation B. Once you save these changes, your product page will display the new price options. Next, set up A/B testing in MIDA. Start a new pricing test. Enter the product URL and use a script to trigger variation B when needed. After inserting and saving the script, reviewing the test should show variation A at 89 MYR and variation B at 99 MYR. However, since these options shouldn't be visible to customers, you need to hide them using a script. To do this, go to Shopify Admin, Online Store, Themes, Customize. Click on the three dots, select Edit Code, and insert the provided hiding script into the theme.liquid file after the MIDA script. This ensures the price variations remain hidden and prevents flickering during page load. Once saved, refreshing the product page will show only the assigned price without exposing the price options. Finally, to complete the A/B test setup, you will need to set a clear goal of your experiment. This goal should be increasing conversions, maximizing revenue, or understanding how price changes impact customer behavior. In your A/B testing tool, define the metrics you want to track, such as the number of purchases, add to cart actions, or even the average order value. Once you have set up the goal, publish the test so it can start collecting real-time data from your visitors. After launching the test, you can now preview both variations to ensure everything is working correctly. When viewing the control version, customers will see the original price, 89 MYR, while those assigned to the variant group will see the new price, 99 MYR. Shopify will automatically distribute traffic between these two price points, allowing you to gather meaningful insights on customer preferences. At this point, your A/B price testing is officially live and running on Shopify. Over time, you can analyze the results to determine which price performs better and make informed pricing decisions for your store. By continuously testing and optimizing, you'll be able to refine your pricing strategy and boost your store's profitability. And that is all there is on Shopify A/B price testing tutorial. Maximize sales with price variations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Bye for now.